Hello YouTube, welcome to Sunday in the shop. It's Saturday. It rained last night. It's only about 75 degrees out. We were hoping the breeze goes away. We're going to play with our little stove. We don't have no bacon. We do have some sliced ham though in our little griddle pan, which I'll explain what that is when I get to it. But this stuff has the fuel in it and I normally don't use it. I would not cook meat over the coals of this, but I'm going to use it underneath the pan, so that's the only reason I bought it. It was on sale. And it's already got the fluid in, so we're going to get it in here and try it. We'll let you know what's going on here. This will either be a pass or fail. First time using this, so we figured we'd try it with charcoal. Okay, we just lit it with our torch lighter. We started in the back, each individual cube. We hurried up and put the lighter to it, so we'll see what happens. We'll see what kind of heat this thing can put up with. That's 12 pieces of charcoal. It's that weird, funny ridge stuff there. It's supposed to make it burn better, but we'll keep this short. Keep the clip short on this thing. We're going to let them get down the coals before we put anything on top. Okay, we had to get our propane torch out to light them because they went out. This isn't stuff you're supposed to light the bag, but the fuel's in there. You could smell it. Trust me, it's burned. I didn't put any fuel on these. They stink. I would never cook meat over these. I would put a pan over them. Stay tuned. Okay, we changed our mind. I hope this cooks. It's frozen. Our special seasoning. This is our little 6-inch Wagner Ware. I'll try to give you a picture of it when I'm done. Found it at a thrift store. It was already seasoned, but we did re-season it. So we hope that we're high enough, or low enough, I mean. That is a lot of charcoal. That's a dozen pieces, so stay tuned. We'll see what happens. Okay, excuse the neighbors mowing. It's that time of year. Yeah, we turned it. We didn't want it to get burnt. So we're on the second side there, so we're not timing this. I can't tell you how long it takes, but it's cooking. Plenty of charcoal. I mean, they're not falling apart yet. They're still holding their shape. It's really windy out here. About 20-mile-an-hour wind gust. At least it's clearing off. We had a lot of rain not a lot of rain last night, but we had some terrible storms that missed us, that had hail to the west. We had about 50-mile-an-hour plus wind gusts. Ripped a bunch of leaves off the trees, but we're lucky. We didn't get no hail or nothing. It only rained about a quarter of an inch of rain. You can see why I got to tie that thing up during a storm. Look at that thing. I'm gonna have to tie it back up. Well, it's done. This is the second side. This is the side had the seasoning on it. These things kind of, when you freeze them, you know, it kind of domes up, so it was kind of indented there. There you go. You can do this. Cut down. I'd call it a success, especially with this nasty wind out here. You can change the height to this. You see that, where you can turn it? If you watched the first video I made of this, if you flipped it around and then put the tray there, it would be as close as you can get it. So we'll snap some photos of this thing. Thanks for watching this week, and we're looking forward to you tuning in next Sunday. This is the live. I'm gonna eat this thing without nothing, just eat it out of the pan. It's so good. Hope I made everybody hungry. Get outside and do some barbecuing.